In the EURUSD monthly chart, the previous week showed an extended loss as market participants kept an eye on China and US Treasury yields. EURUSD's price remained bearish after touching the 1.127 level on July 18, 2023. The price kept moving down for 4 consecutive weeks and reached the July 2023 low at 1.083 level. Moreover, the higher timeframe shows that there is no signal of exhaustion. In the weekly chart, the price keeps pushing higher above the 100 SMA level at the 1.077 area, which could be the potential downside target for the coming days. Moreover, the momentum indicator comes to the midline while the current RSI remains below the 50.00 neutral line. In the daily chart, the current price action also shows a downside possibility as the recent price shows several lower low formations. Moreover, the current 100-day SMA is above the recent candles, while the 20 EMA shows a bearish crossover with the 100 SMA. The indicator window shows the same story, where the current RSI extended the loss to the oversold zone. In the current price action, the near-term support level is at 1.083 and 1.077 areas. A downside pressure below these levels could extend the loss toward the 1.070 key psychological zone. In case of a bullish recovery, a solid upside pressure with a D1 candle above the 1.100 level is needed before aiming for a stable bullish trend.